Well, there's a cicada trying to fly away. We're on Porter Road near Ayersville. So this, I think, is the route that I took in the first time around in 1987. And I just caught one. Now see, there's the tower. Yep, this is the spot I was at. There's the towers that I saw in the video. That's probably it right there. I put the tripod up and was taking videos of me. So this is the third trip here, seeing the difference. Although certainly not as loud as Cincinnati. But this is the road that I parked on. Excuse me, and they are everywhere here. There's a bunch of them right here. They are so pretty when they're fresh. There's some more here. So this is the most I have seen. And once I get around the corner, I'll see where that tree is. But yeah, this looks like the spot that I was at in 1987. I forgot my tripod, so I can't do what I want to do. Stick it on the car and take pictures of me and the dogs. I'm gonna do that in a second here. Take the dogs for a walk. We're down on Porter Road, listening to the cicadas near Ayersville, Ohio. And they're out in the numbers. They were probably here. The same road I was on in 1987. I had the dogs this time, a different car, and lots more numbers, cicadas. So now we're going to go down by the campground. The other view from the tripod camera in 87 was the tree, I believe, from the other corner. So on Huffman Road, about a half a mile from the campground, around the corner there. And they are here. And they are dead and dying. But there's a few. Oh, here's the skin. First skin I've seen today. And the one that was there is gone. I hear one, but I think he's on me because I don't see him. Here I am on Huffman Road. I was coming the other way the last time. Up here, down there's the creek, I think. And we only saw one or two when we were here last week. And there's one there. Finally in the shade. Not as loud here. The campground is just down the road a ways. Amidst all the cicadas, I see a flower I wanted to take a picture of. I believe I was down here. I believe in 1987 I had parked down here and had the tripod going this direction, the camera facing this way, because these trees are in the background, and those are the ones that Barb and I saw last week. And we have come full circle now. We saw them gradually coming out, more coming out with very little noise because of the cold and the wind. And now they're out in full force. Will probably be done in about 2 weeks. And they're dead across the road, which they were not even moving last time. We'll go and see some pictures here. This is where thousands of skeins were last week. How come I don't see them? There's one. And I think these are the same two I saw last week. Okay, that was probably 2 weeks ago or more. So this is Huffman Road. Goes down there to the campground. And this whole woods is full of them. Not to the intensity of Cincinnati, but you can't have everything. Closer to home.